U.S. Air Force needs more flying tankers to bridge the gap between its current capabilities and its planned next-generation KC-0 refueling aircraft. The Boeing KC-46A is one option, as is the Lockheed Martin LMXT, which is a modified version of the Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport. The C-46A Pegasus is the latest Boeing-designed tanker used for mid-air refueling. In development for more than a decade, the KC-46A takes operations previously handled by the KC-135 Strata tanker and KC-10 extender. The Air Force first contracted Boeing in 2011 to manufacture 179 KC-46s to begin modernizing and replacing the Air Force's more than 60-year-old KC-135 fleet. Manufactured at Boeing's plant in Everett, Washington, the KC-46A is a variation of the Boeing 767 commercial passenger airliner, and will be off the beaten track as the provided carrier 767-2C, which will eventually become the military-configured KC-46 tanker. According to the 88th Air Base Wing at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. Unlike the KC-135 and KC-10 designed to replace it, the KC-46A refuels the aircraft with its operator using remote vision system cameras and sensors to guide the boom into the aircraft being refueled. The plane has been beset with technical issues due to issues with the RBs, which cost Boeing billions to repair and delay its full integration into the Air Force. The credible and reliable KC-46A tanker capability is now available to our joint and international partners, General Mike Minahan, Commander of Air Mobility Command, said in a statement. As of May 2021, the KC-46A is not permitted to operationally support any U.S. Transportation Command mission. With an outstanding team of professionals across the company analyzing data and making risk-informed decisions, we are deliberately and aggressively accelerating the operational use of Pegasus. The tanker has officially cost Boeing more to repair than the total price of the contract it signed with the Air Force. Since the first flight in 2014, Boeing has regularly had to pay fees to fix problems with tankers, such as the RV system. While Boeing first signed a $4.9 billion deal with the Air Force to build the tanker, the company has raised more than $5 billion in costs due to technical issues. High deal size and capability to ensure more explosions in the air throughout the operational theater. The KC-46 delivers more fuel at all ranges and from shorter runways than the KC-135 aircraft it replaces for the U.S. Air Force. The KC-46 requires less road space than competing commercial derivative tankers, enabling mission range at both forward and hard airfields. Proven aerial refueling systems and capacities to support the full spectrum of missions. The KC-46 features a proven boom and hose and drogue system capable of refueling all Allied and coalition military aircraft compatible with international aerial refueling procedures. The tanker Pegasus has unloaded more than 78 million pounds, 35.4 million kilograms, of fuel to various recipients, and carried out more than 9,000 sorties. The modern KC-46 fly-by-wire boom provides a receiving envelope 3 times larger than the KC-135 receiving envelope it replaced for the U.S. Air Force. KC-46, enabling global reach with capabilities, endurance and versatility. The KC-46 is built to U.S. Air Force specifications for combat readiness and survivability. Multiple layers of combat-ready self-protection and defensive countermeasure systems, including the Tactical Situational Awareness Suite, nuclear, chemical and biological hardening, flight deck armor, detection of radio frequency threats, and infrared missile countermeasures. The KC-46 holds 3 times as many cargo pallets, up to twice as many passengers, and approximately 30% more aeromedical evacuation patients than the KC-135 aircraft it replaces for the U.S. Air Force. And cargo rollers allow for quick mission reconfiguration. The Pegasus can switch from cargo mode to passenger/medevac mode in 2 hours. The KC-46 tanker is capable of carrying as many military standard pallets as the C-17 and is compatible with all U.S. Air Force loaders. The KC-46 provides emergency oxygen and electrical power for medevac support. The Advanced Battle Management System, a top modernization priority for the U.S. Air Force, will leverage the flight-proven KC-46 wing air refueling pod to turn tankers into aerial internet hotspots, connecting warfighter all-domain data structures at the tactical edge. The U.S. production line built the KC-46 to be a tanker from day one, not an aftermarket modification, making it uniquely suited to integrating new capabilities and advanced technology.